Hey everyone, weekend is fast approaching again and welcome back to our eBay Flips channel. So for today, we got lots of deals from eBay Flips 28. In total, eBay OA we got 9 and then eBay RA we got 19. So all in all, 28 leads coming for eBay leads today. So let's check some of our eBay leads. Starting off with our iHerb deal, this advanced clinicals Manuka honey that you could buy for 8.62 and sell it double 19.30. Next is this Medix 5.5 that you could buy for 10.78 and sell it for 20 pounds. Next is this Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C that you could buy for 8.64 and sell it for 18 pounds or 20 pounds, double its price again. And then the C3 therapy oil that you could buy for 9.9 and sell it for 8 and 67. So most of our iHerb deals that you could sell for double its price, guys. So check out all the rest of the items that we got here. And especially on the retail arbitrage leads, we got a lot of offer for you. So if you wanted to earn free extra money, we got you this channel's review giveaway, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. So if you're interested, feel free to check this channel out for you to earn free extra money. So if you're interested to earn to see all the bot operated channels that we got, one that we offer is this price drop monitor, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of websites like this, for example, in Argos. There, go check them out, guys, because you can find a lot of deals from it. And then another one is this Amazon to eBay channel, wherein you could see all the latest deals from Amazon that you could sell to your eBay account. There you go, Amazon to eBay. And lastly, our general community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your experience with. That would be all for Recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.